Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on the WebTech Zone. In this video, we are going to show you how to add access title in Excel. You can add access title in the chart bar. So generally, add access title in the chart bar or chart graph. So I'm going to show you how to change format, how you can change the colors, font size in access title. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So guys, let's start with the video. So here I have some sample data like, okay, first I have to create some, one second. First I have to select, okay. So here we are, and just I'm going to add some table or graph. So you have to click insert and I just give a graph. So in this graph, just change the name, title of this chart, text. Okay. So here, if you want to add the axis uh, title in this chart, you just need to click within the chart anywhere you need to. If you click here, so this plus icon will appear here, and just click on this plus icon, and here you can see the axis title. Just click on it. The horizontal and vertical titles has been appear here. Okay, so if you want any horizontal or any, if you want only horizontal or vertical, you can keep vertical or you can keep horizontal only. Okay, by this clicking, or you just untick which you don't want. So I keep both of. So that is how you can add titles, but there is a many other features you can use in access title. You can custom or format, you can custom format of the title, you can change the colors of the access title. So if you want to change the format of access title, just click on it and just right click and format, click on the format access title, and you can see that you can change the colors from here. Like, yeah, you can see the color, but this is border color. Okay, border color, this field, this color, this color will be your background color. Okay, and you can select, you can vertical alignment. Okay, anything you can do from here. Okay, so if you want to change font, you just double click. If you want to change name of access title, just click on it and you can change name like test name. Okay, and if you want to change format, font size of access title, just double click on it. Okay, just select and double click. The you can make it bold. Okay, you can change color from here, font color from here. Okay, you can change the alignments, you can change font from here, you can change height and everything, size if you want to change size. So that is how you can use or you can customize access title in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for